We answer your essential questions, helping you with your filmmaking journey, and we do that by showing you the essentials. What's in your camera bag? Loads of people are asking it at the minute. I just thought we would...
You're asking it?
People.
What people are asking? I don't see any people.
The crowd, the bigger, you know, the larger online, what's in their bag?
Well, my bag's empty then because we're not on a job.
No. You're going to have to put a cut here. It's not going to be empty.
Right.
We're going to go out on a job.
Yeah.
You're going to pack your bag and we're going to show...
What's the job? Who's it for?
You're thinking, right, it's not just a certain job. It's not like a... Try and think of it as in... I've got stuff in my bag to show them. It's my setup in a bag.
Is it indoors? I mean, studio? Is it with cars? What are we filming today?
Right. Don't think of it like that. Think of, I'm going out. I'm going to shoot some stuff, and I've got a camera bag. What's in the bag?
Well, what is in it? I need to know what I need to put in my bag.
Stop thinking about that. We'll just put some bits together, and we'll show them what's in the camera bag in 3, 2,
ready?
1. Where's your bag?
What bag?
Bag? What's in your bag?
You brought a bag?
What? Yeah. What, you have packed a bag, yeah?
Oh, not a bag.
Turn up without a bag. That's all you packed?
No. Wait. Hang on, I'm not finished. Okay. Still not done.
Right, just sit down. Right, you've made this really difficult.
You said, just imagine you're a YouTuber, you just want to go out and film stuff.
Yep. Could be a vlog, maybe your first bit of commercial work, make a little promo.
So I took all those things.
Right.
Could be a vlog, could be a promo, could be a commercial job, could be everything.
We'll brush over that.
Right.
And we'll just start with what's in my bag.
Let's have a look what's in your bag.
Oh, before I start that, to always make sure you travel in comfort, because you never know how long you're going to be. You could be sat round, there's lunch hours, there's all sorts going on. And just now this is where I'm going to need a little insert, like,
Right, yeah. Okay. That looks like a lot of non-camera stuff.
Well,
all right, first up, what's this?
Prop. Notepad.
Right.
Toilet roll. You never know. Very on trend.
Is this because you're filming a YouTube video?
Pretty much. I always take coffee everywhere I go,
So,
and I insist.
So far, 4 items, none of them are camera related.
Wait. A reflector. You should always have.
Okay.
Binoculars.
You got arrested for these.
You never know the environment you're going to be in. You know, why carry binoculars? Okay. Always carry a Swiss Army knife.
Well, unless the laws in your country prohibit you from doing so.
Then don't. I watched a film once. A guy.
Yeah.
He fell down a rock.
Yeah.
Like a big crevice.
What, and had to cut his arm off?
Yeah.
Right.
Always carry a Swiss Army knife.
Or just don't get your arm caught.
I mean...
Why have you got Robert with you?
Basically, it's on trend.
Is there anything camera related in here? Hay fever tablets?
Hay fever tablets. Light.
The cheapest light we have. It barely even lights that.
Small, compact. I just like the fact that I can, you know, carry it around in the bag. Easy.
Ah, not the Gorilla Pod.
On trend. That's right. That's how I vlog. Joby.
So this whole bag.
Yeah.
And you've got the Sony RX100 Mark VI.
On trend.
It's a great camera.
Yep. Selfie shooter.
And that's what you're going to use all day. You don't need a bag.
Yeah, but the video is called What's in Your Bag.
What else is in your bag?
Just...
Your lunch.
Packed lunch.
Right. You set this challenge.
Brownie? And that's what's in my camera bag 2019.
Well, what's in my camera bag? Thanks for asking,
No,
Pete.
just wait a second. We're going to cut here. So let's take a look at what's in AJ's camera bags.
Well, I don't know what job it's for. I'll be honest, there's the glide cam, straight up. Don't really use it that much. They're more hassle than worth, so can you take that?
Yeah.
That's probably low priority. Let's start off tripods. We've got like a travel tripod. You've got the monopod, just in case. We've obviously got like the heavy duty film camera tripod. Maybe if it goes like here. Obviously got the boom arm for the microphones. Got obviously the light with the blue gel, you know, for the Osmo Steadicam. Yeah, need that. Oh, the Sennheiser lapel mics. They're in there. More of a B cam or run and gun, but the Panasonic's always good. Got some lenses. Ooh, what else? Got those in there.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Yeah, and
never take enough lenses, travel light.
yeah, and another camera, the XC10. Because this one does 4K and it's lightweight. You said be light, travel, you could be vlogging. So, that's what's in my camera bag 2019.
There's another bag over there with lights. Is that really necessary?
I couldn't fit it on the table. And obviously I'll probably take this camera as well. But we're filming with it. And that tripod. Oh, and that microphone. Oh, and that monitor.
Right.
Oh, I'll take the Ninja recorder as well.
Just, I think, wrap this up. Possibly overdone it.
Do you think? I think this is... if we turned up, I think we'd have everything we need.
Let's just go back. Let's do the outro.
What's wrong with this?
We're going back to the outro.
What's wrong with you?
Ruined that. Absolutely.
How have I ruined it?
Ruined it.
How?
Travel light. What's in your bag 2019? The best clickbait title for today's video, and yet you've packed everything. If you've been sat there wondering what was in the camera bag, now you know. In my camera bag, just the essentials, and in AJ's camera bag, everything.
I mean...
So if you want to nerd out and travel like AJ, take note of all of those things that he carries around with him. Or if you just want to be fast and efficient and streamlined.
And have room for your lunch.
Be like Pete. That's what's in our camera bags 2019. We've enjoyed you being here for this week's video. We'll also have another video for you on Friday where we'll take a look behind the scenes.
We're really kind, aren't we? Just constant value.
Giving. But if you wanted to give back...
Patreon. Yeah. Join the Filmmakers Club. Yeah, it's on Patreon. It's our monthly Filmmakers Club, the Watermelon Squad, where we give you...
Just Filmmakers Club.
Just Watermelon Squad. We give you presets, we give you LUTs, we give you tutorials, and we also give you our copyright-free music library, which is like 700 tracks that you can use in any video you like.
Oh, but is it any good?
Yes.
What sort of music is there?
The best.
There's this one.
I like that.
And the sound effects, like... Yeah. Let's try it again.
Okay.
And the sound effects, like this one. It better be better than the first one.
Oh, it was loads better. So...
Thanks for clicking.
See you Friday.
Yeah, links below.
Share this video. Stuff. Do you actually care if they thumbs up or not?
Not particularly. Someone told me to say thumbs up. Hey, make sure you subscribe, guys. Like the video. Why are they even saying subscribe at the beginning of the video? If it's a pile of shit, who's going to do that?
Alright, we better end it. He's going to start ranting. So we'll see you Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
Yeah. Are you getting angrier?
No, I'm just hot. I'm hot.
Yeah.
AJ. It's very hot, and you've packed everything.
You've got to unpack it now.
Everything.
You've got to unpack it now.
Oh.
Your idea, you unpack.
God, you didn't put the drones in.